Hello my guys, Bullet here. I have a new episode for you guys. We're doing some installation on this 2019 Chevy Silverado. I have these steps from YITAMOTOR. This is going to be for any 2019 to 2022 Chevy Silverado. Also for the GMC Sierra. Also for any 2020 to 2022 2500 HD. Also for the 3500 HD crew cab. These running boards are gonna be the 82-inch running boards, 6.5 inch on width, and this is gonna be for any crew cab. That means double doors. If you have the standard or the double cab, it's not gonna work because right here we have another one. If you can see right there, that one is smaller on the back. This is not gonna fit. So if you wanna get some steps for your Chevy Silverado, make sure that you get the right ones. This is, like I said, 82-inch in length, so it's gonna be for this double cab. Now, installation should be easy. I have the bracket. Let me show you what I have so we can do the installation. I'm gonna show you only the driver. I don't need to show you the passenger. Once you do the driver, it's gonna be just the same on the other side. If you look at the quality on these YITAMOTOR steps, they're gonna look really good because they're wider. Some other specs, they have just the tube and then the steps, kind of like wide steps, and then the rest is the tubes. They look good, but in my personal opinion, this looks a lot better. Right here on my RAV4, I have the instructions, and I have this A and this B. So this is the B, this is the A. I believe the A is the driver's side because they do have passenger and driver. Make sure that you get the right one, and the instructions is going to tell you step by step how to do the installation. We have all the bolts, washers, and nuts in here with the package. So I'm going to grab this, which is the A. I'm going to start doing the installation. If you look in here on this side, you already have some screws right there. This is gonna be the 12 millimeters. So you're gonna have 2 on one side, 2 right here, and 2 on the other. You have to check on the bottom. Right there is gonna have the holes. Right, one is gonna be right there. One is gonna be, I believe, right there, and the other one over there. You just have to put these bolts with the brackets on the bottom. Put the screws, and that's it. That's all you need to do. And this is the bracket. So basically, you're gonna remove these two. I'm gonna put them on the bracket right here, and right here on the bottom you're gonna put one of the bolts with the nut and the washer right here, which is gonna go right here. And right there on the inside you're gonna have another hole to put your bolt through it right here. So basically this bracket is gonna sit right there. So that's how it's gonna sit. But first I'm gonna put them on the running board, on the steps, and then we're just gonna grab it and put it against the truck so we can start putting the bolts in it. Really easy, really simple. Let me show you. You're gonna have the nut inside, but once you remove the bolt and washer, you can easily just put the bracket, which the bracket is gonna go like that. Once you put it on, just find the nut and put these ones on. Don't get them all the way tight because you gotta line them up with the truck, but this is gonna give you an idea how they're gonna look. The nut is right there inside. Just found it with the bolt. Get them tight. Not too tight, like I said, because you gotta move them. Okay, like that. So when you put the boards on the truck, you just slide. You can slide them back and forward to get them lined up. I'm gonna do the same process for the other two and put it in the truck. Okay, on that side, that's the back of the truck. They have one. Right here they have the hole for another one, and right here they have another hole and they have a bracket. So it was running boards in here before. Now the only thing I had to do is just match those 3 holes right there and put the running board. Okay, and just I'm explaining to do in case you get confused. There is a lot of extra nuts because right here on the running boards you're gonna have a hole for this one with threads already. So a bolt and a washer, they're gonna go in there like this. But for the bottom ones, there is only holes. There is no threads for those. You're gonna have to put another bolt, washer, and nut on top so you can secure them. Okay, guys, and that's the installation. They can hold up to 350 pounds, but it doesn't look right yet because these ones are not tight, so I still can move them. Once I put them in the right position, I'm just gonna get those to 12mm tight, and that's it. The only difficult thing in this, it was line up the bracket underneath, because this frame, I think they have running boards before and they were I guess stepping on it too much or something happened to this truck. This part right here is bended, so you can see it's not straight. That's why it was hard to line them up the bracket. But like I showed you the holes before, once you line them up, just put the bolt and the washer through the ones underneath, and those right there, I just need to get those tight. I gotta straighten this up. Once this is straight and is what I needed, I can just get them tight. And like I said, this is gonna hold up to 350 pounds, so it's not going anywhere. You're gonna have 15% off with the code BOARDS15. I'm gonna put the code right there on the description with the link if you wanna get these boards. So I'll leave it with that, guys. I hope you like my little installation. Really easy to do. And if you have any questions, please comment down below. I'm gonna be happy to help. Thanks for watching, guys. Don't forget to subscribe and see you in the next one. Peace.